Shocking body cam footage reveals the final moments of 26-year-old Rhyker Earl's life after being restrained by law enforcement following a series of seizures. Earl's grandmother had called 911 for medical assistance. He was preparing to go to the hospital when deputies from the Jasper County Sheriff's Office arrived.
Hey, don't touch the medic. You're going to the hospital, all right? Don't hit him. You don't hit him. You understand? You don't hit him. Don't touch him.
Authorities claim Earl displayed significant resistance. While his family argues he was disoriented from the seizures, deputies handcuffed him, citing safety concerns for themselves and medical personnel.
Guys, I'm gonna get up.
Nope, you're not.
Guys, hurry, guys, what the guys?
Throughout the ordeal, Earl was administered multiple injections, believed to be sedatives.
Guys, I wanna get up.
Hey, Rhyker.
Guys, please.
Rhyker, can you hear me?
Please.
Can you hear me?
Please.
Rhyker?
Just settle down.
Guys,
Rhyker?
I'm gonna die.
Just
You're
settle
not
down.
gonna die. We're trying to help you.
Settle down, Rhyker, alright? You're gonna feel so much better here in a second. Hopefully. And so. Alright. Let's get that BVM. Let's get him.
We're getting there.
The sheriff's office reported that he became unresponsive, was taken to the hospital, and later passed away.
I want to be clear about this. It doesn't matter if the person is a black person or a white person. When they say, I can't breathe, and end up dying in police custody, I vow that we're going to get to the truth of what happened.
They accused the family's lawyer of spreading falsehoods about their deputies' actions, but did not address the use of sedatives.
I'll regret it till the day I die that I ever called anybody, because I am sure I could have took care of him better than he was treated when they got there.
The Indiana State Police are investigating, with autopsy results pending. For more news, visit our website, MrCheckpoint.com.